Hi guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can set budgets on LessAccounting. To set mainly an expense budget, you need to go to section called budget, and here you can see I have already added a couple of expense categories with set limits and spendings. So to add a new expense line or cost line to a budget, click on create budget. Here, select an expense category. For example, I will select meals and entertainment, and I can select an amount. Either I can select this amount applies to monthly, quarterly or yearly, so annual. In my case, I will say that I have budget of £1,000 per annum. So that's my budget for whole year. And I can select rollover. Rollover means if you don't spend in 1 month, that balance will go to next month, so it will roll over and it will combine across whole period. So in my case, if I have budget of £1,000 across whole year, and monthly would be about £83, but if I spend in 1 month 150 and another month I have spent nothing, so actually rollover will mean that I will have 166 about pounds available in total across 2 months, and I have spent only 150 across. So that's the difference between rollover or just have a set fixed every month. So if you go for a rollover, select rollover and select from which date it starts. So in my case, I will say from beginning of a year and click save. So now when I go to meals and entertainment, so up to now, up to end of May, I should have budget of 500 and I have only spent 1635. So this is the way how you can add every single expense category and set a budget, and at the end of the day see your total budgeted, total spent and total remaining at the top. So if you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete LessAccounting tutorial as well as review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.